Hi children. Right now I'm going to try to show you how you can make your very own starfish. And you can decorate it whatever way you'd like. And what you need, the only thing you really need is a paper plate, some markers, a scissor, and maybe some paints. So what you do is you take a paper plate, and the best you can, you divide the paper plate, maybe you'll have mom or dad, into like five pieces, like 5 pieces of pie, because a starfish has 5 arms. So you'll do that, and you'll mark that, and what you're going to do is you're going to cut around those lines to get your starfish, to make your starfish, because you want to have 5, like I said, 5 arms for the starfish. So what we're going to do, we'll cut around. And then after you finish cutting your starfish out, you can decide if you want to paint it, if you have paint, or if you want to use some markers, or if you want to use crayons, or even if you want to let it to be white, like the paper plate, and then just decorate it with different shapes, because I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. 5 arms. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now on this starfish, I used like a sand colored paint, but you could use any color paint you want. And if you use paint, it might be a little quicker to do if you have paint. But if you don't have paint, you could still color it with a marker or crayons, and it might just take you a little bit longer. But it would still be fun. So you would pick whatever color you want, because I don't really think it matters. And there are different colored starfish, because I had watched some video of them, and they're really kind of cool how they move and stuff. And they're prickly, and they have a whole bunch of like suction things on the bottom. All right, so this is wet now, so I don't want to decorate it, but what I would do is, once it dried, I would take different color markers, and I would make, well, I made a whole bunch of little circles, because they have like little circles on them. They have like little markings. So I went down to the middle, and I made just a whole bunch of, kind of in a line of circles in a darker color. And then I went to the next, and I made some circles. And then I took a different color marker, and I made a different color, maybe a little bit smaller circles. Like I said, you can do whatever you want. You don't have to do exactly what I did. And then I did it next to the other ones too. And then what I also did, I thought it looked kind of neat. I took another marker, and I made like little dotted lines, just to fill it in a little bit. So you could do that too, make dotted lines. Or you can make little X's, or even like you could put even little different letters on it. So you'll color the whole thing, you'll put your little different marks on it. Well, you'll color it, you're gonna let it, if you use paint, you're gonna let it dry. And if you don't use paint, you can use the markers right away if you wanna use crayons or markers. And then when you're finished, it'll look something, well, it'll look however you want it to look. So enjoy, I had fun, bye-bye.